I am really excited to be able to show you number 7 on the fairways. Again, part of our country club development. Premium lodges, high spec, and we'll take you straight in. So wraparound decking, which goes around the whole front of the van as well, into our entrance area. Really generous in space, bags of storage. We've even got ourselves our washing machine in the lobby area, and loads of places to put coats and bags. We'll come through to the living quarters in a second, but let me show you the bedrooms first. Bedroom 1 is a twin. Both singles are full width, really comfortable. As you can see, beautifully appointed space. And again, wardrobes, mirrors, TVs in every room. This thing is really well connected into the main bathroom. There we are. Full-size bathtub, as you would expect in accommodation of this quality. And something a bit special, which is the master. The master is really spacious. Let's take you through. There we go. So everyone that joins us here as an owner gets the same facilities as most of our owners on the country club. You will get access to our spa, our gym, and our pool facilities free of charge. You'll get to play golf for 2 people for a full year, included in the price. There we go, another television on the wall. And into the master ensuite, twin basins, and a really beautiful double width walk-in shower. Toilet, of course. Let's take you through to the main living quarters. Here we go. Really spacious feel to this unit. Here we go, full kitchen, bags of space in here. And no one wants to wash up when they're on holiday or relaxing, so dishwasher built into our kitchen. There's our microwave. We've got our hob, 5-burner hob and full cooker. And of course, as you would expect, everything being hidden, there is our built-in fridge and freezer units. Fantastic. Moving around, dining space for your guests, your neighbours, your friends, for entertaining, and a really comfortable lounge space. Like I said, it's impressive how spacious this unit is. The most impressive thing for me really is the outdoor space. We are directly out onto that wraparound decking. Loads of space out here. Loads of space. You know, you're not crammed in here. Plenty of room for everyone to be quite spacious in the area itself. A really beautiful unit, I think you'd agree. You know, like I say, when you come and join us here at Unity Resort, you will understand that we've got the full leisure facilities. The beach is literally 5-minute walk away, and there are 7 miles of those glorious sands, and the beautiful Somerset levels are literally a 10-minute walk that way. You are in open countryside, and if you need to unplug and relax and unwind from your busy day-to-day, there is no better place to be than beautiful Somerset.